Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Simplehuman liners on the market. The Simplehuman Code A Custom Fit Liners. These liners are designed specifically for Simplehuman trash cans with a capacity of 4.5 liters or 1.2 gallons, and they come in a pack of 30. What sets these liners apart is their exceptional durability. Made from extra thick plastic with a reinforced double seal. They are built to prevent tears and leaks, even when you're dealing with heavier or sharp waste. This means fewer messy cleanups and more confidence that your trash stays contained. Another feature you'll appreciate is the easy-to-use drawstring handles. They make lifting and tying off the trash bag a breeze, so you can remove and replace liners quickly and without hassle. The drawstrings also help secure the bag tightly around the trash can, ensuring it stays in place and fits perfectly without slipping. Speaking of fit, these liners are custom designed for the Simplehuman Code of trash cans, meaning you get an exact fit every time. The snug fit helps maximize the trash can's capacity and keeps everything neat and tidy in your kitchen, bathroom, or office. While the color is a clean white, the quality and design make these liners stand out beyond just appearance. They're made to handle daily use with ease and offer a reliable, no-fuss trash bag solution for your Simplehuman can. The pack of 30 liners provides good value, especially if you're looking for consistent quality that matches your Simplehuman trash can perfectly. It's an investment in convenience and cleanliness that fits seamlessly into your home routine. If you're looking for a durable, well-fitting liner that makes trash disposal simple and mess-free, the Simplehuman Code A Custom Fit Liners are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.